What is a home warranty and why would you need one? I'm Ben Waller with Coldwell Banker and HomeSoldUtah.com, and today I'm here with Josh from American Home Shield, and he's going to explain a little bit about what home warranties are. So Josh, I just want to thank you for joining us today.
Well, thanks for the invite, Ben.
I'm excited to learn about home warranties because I know a little bit, but I'm assuming a lot of people that watch this don't know much about home warranties. So thanks again for being here.
Definitely.
So I've got some questions. Let's talk a little bit about what home warranties are so that people that are watching can understand better.
Okay.
So the first question I want to ask is, how long has American Home Shield been in the home warranty business? And I think this is important because we need people to realize that American Home Shield knows what they're talking about.
Definitely. You know, and it's interesting because American Home Shield is the inventor of the warranty industry.
Interesting, that's important.
And so if you Wikipedia, what is a home warranty? They're going to say American Home Shield invented the home warranty industry.
Okay.
And that's been over 40 years ago.
40 years?
Yeah.
That's a long time.
It is.
So you guys probably know what you're talking about.
We do.
Perfect. Okay, so let's talk about what does a home warranty cover? Like, what does it do?
Yeah, definitely. Great question. And you know, the biggest misconception that I see is what is a home warranty versus what is home insurance.
Okay.
So a lot of people get these two mixed. And really, one of the examples I like to give is if your water heater explodes, if it blows up.
That would be terrible.
And it causes damage to your carpet, to the walls, the insurance is going to cover the actual secondary damage. The home warranty is going to cover that water heater.
Okay.
And so that's really just an easy way to say the warranty covers systems and appliances. Insurance is going to cover your secondary damage.
Okay. Good analogy there.
Yeah.
Thank you. And obviously that's a pretty big example. I'm
Yeah.
sure there's other smaller things that home warranty covers, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. The next question I have is, how long does a home warranty last? Like if I buy a house today, how long does my home warranty go for?
Yeah, great question again. So the real estate product is different. It's actually discounted because when you have your clients working with you, we give the real estate community a discounted product.
Thank you.
Yeah, so the product is going to be less. So the product you offer your clients is always going to be less. You can offer listing coverage, so that's for your sellers.
Okay.
That gives them coverage on their major systems during the listing period.
Okay.
And then for the buyer gets a policy that is 1 year from that transaction date. So the day that they buy, for up to 1 year.
Okay.
And so they have 12 months of coverage. And they do have the option to renew. So American Home Shield is going to be in communications with that homeowner.
Makes sense.
Explaining how to use it, what it is, but also as month 10, 11, 12 come up, they're going to say, do you want to renew?
Makes sense. So if somebody's buying a house, they can get a home warranty that'll cover them for 12 months.
Correct.
And you're saying they get a discount if they are buying it when they buy the house.
Yes.
And then they can renew it after 12 months if they choose to.
Exactly.
Okay. And you also mentioned that sellers can have it during the time their house is for sale.
Correct.
Okay.
But only if they use a real estate professional.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yes.
So you have to use a real estate agent to get the home warranty coverage when you're selling a property.
Exactly.
I didn't know that.
Yep.
Josh, I want to ask you another question. What are the benefits to using a home warranty when you're selling a home?
Ben, great question, and the National Association of Realtors has actually asked that same question. So they did a study. Does a home sell faster and for a higher price with a home warranty or without a home warranty?
Important question.
Very important question. And what they found out was that it does sell faster and it does sell for a higher price.
Okay.
So basically you should advertise that you have a home warranty.
Another feature and benefit you can offer when marketing a property.
Definitely.
Perfect. Thank you. Are there, I want to ask, are there different levels of home warranties? Like, can I get a basic or like an extremely advanced home warranty? What's the...
Yeah, great question. So, and we will have a link that's going to give...
In below, there'll be a link to this PDF document.
And there's, American Home Shield offers 3 plans.
Okay.
And so in these 3 plans, you have the basic, you have the essential, the basic, and the complete.
Okay.
The basic covers just your major systems. So it's going to cover your furnace, your AC, your water heater, plumbing, and electrical.
Okay.
The next tier, the Shield Plus, is going to cover all of those major systems plus appliances. So things like your washer, dryer, refrigerator, oven, stove, things like that.
Okay.
So basically in your kitchen. And that's the most popular product. That's what we see in a real estate transaction. The Shield Plus is kind of the go-to.
Covers the majority of
things, yeah.
Okay.
And then you do have a complete product that offers garage doors, ceiling fans, some other just added
Maybe
coverage.
tinier details, but also important.
Yeah. Yep. So those are the three. We try to keep it really simple for real estate because you're buying a house and you have a lot of decisions.
Yeah, it's
and
a little overwhelming.
It can get a little overwhelming if you're diving into what a warranty is.
Okay.
The next year, that following renewal, you can really customize your product, and they have multiple options. And so that's usually when you dive in a little deeper.
Might be a better time too, because you've lived in the house a little while. You know how things are running.
Yeah, and you can actually, one of the popular products it's a product called Pick 10. And
Okay.
you can pick what you want covered.
Oh,
So
sounds pretty customized.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Good to know as well. I was going to ask you how I should know which one to pick. You said that the middle package is the most common.
That is.
So that's probably an easy way to answer that question. Now, I realize that with any home warranty plan, it's sort of customized on what costs are involved, but can you give us like a ballpark of what people should be expecting as far as costs go? And let's just talk about if somebody's getting a home warranty when they are buying a house. For the 12-month period, how much would that home warranty cost?
That's typically for that Shield Plus, it's going to be around $500.
Okay.
And so that's usually what you'd either ask for, or if it's a competitive market where you have multiple offers and you're trying to make your offer stand out a little bit more, you might say, seller, don't worry about the warranty. Us
We'll
as the
just
buyer,
cover it.
Yeah, we're going to buy it.
So $500 for a year of
For a
coverage,
year.
that's a pretty good peace of mind
It-
for some of those big systems that can be expensive.
It is. And in Utah, the average we're seeing right now is that the average is they're using it twice a year. And so for those big systems and appliances, it definitely is worth the money.
It pays for
It
itself.
does.
Okay. The next question I want to know about home warranties is if you need to use your home warranty, do you have to pay like a deductible when you have an issue?
Yeah, great question. So you do. And in the real estate product, it's always going to be $75. And that gets you a licensed contractor that's licensed, insured, bonded. And so he's a real professional.
They know what they're doing.
You know what they're doing. He's going to come out to your house, assess the situation, be in communication with American Home Shield, and also explain to the homeowner what the problem is. And they're always going to try to fix it first, but if they can't fix it, then they replace it.
Sounds pretty nice.
Yeah, so it's a good.
And $75 is pretty minimal if you compare that to like even an hour, like a plumber for an hour is more than $75. So
It is.
it's
We really leverage our contractors. Typically, a contractor's more than
Right.
$75 just to go out to your house. So
but you probably have a pretty big network, and because of that, you get some benefits.
yeah, we do. We give them a lot of business.
Oh, all right. Next question. How long does it normally take for someone to come and make a repair? Like if I file a claim on my home warranty, how long before somebody's going to come to my house?
Definitely. Great question. And it really can vary depending on the time of year and the
Interesting.
service issue. So there's always 2 weeks in winter in Utah and 2 weeks in summer where heating and AC guys are just swamped. And so,
That's generally when stuff breaks.
yeah, that's generally when it breaks. So what I recommend is using the online website. That's usually a faster way to request service, but typically it's can be a day. I actually had a heating issue this past winter.
Okay.
And I was out of town when, of course.
Of course.
And the contractor made it out that day.
Oh, wow.
And he ended up fixing it. It needed parts, but he got it working. And then he came back about a week later with a part that fixed it permanently. And so it can be that day. It can take a couple days. What I would recommend to your audience is be in contact with you as your real estate agent, because you know the local reps who can help you out.
Get things done faster.
Yeah, and so if there's ever a problem, contact your real estate agent. He or she's going to contact me, and then we'll see what my team can do and hopefully get it out there, problem resolved.
Coldwell Banker has a great relationship with American Home Shield, and that's what makes it possible for them to help us get things done really quickly, which is wonderful. You also were talking to me a little bit earlier about this great program called Dispatch Me. Do you want to touch on that?
Yeah, definitely. So Dispatch Me is a new service that we're using, and it really, if anybody's used Uber, this is what Dispatch Me is like. And so you're
But for the contractors.
But for the contractors and also the homeowner. So the homeowner is going to receive text, and then they can also check the user profile of that contractor. So you can see ratings, you can see where they're at. So it's going to notify you when they're a couple miles away.
Some really great communication tools.
Really great communication tools. So we're trying to wind down the time of we'll be there between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. You know,
maybe on Friday.
Yeah,
we'll
maybe.
See.
Exactly. So that's being used 47% of our calls now.
Oh, wow.
And it is, user ratings have gone through the roof with it. So it's something that we'll probably see more of.
Technology's helping us all.
It is.
That's good. You sort of mentioned this already, but I'll ask again. How is a home warranty different than home insurance?
Okay.
Do we need to talk about that anymore? Or?
You know, it's always, it is confusing. And so what I would recommend is get both involved. Ask the question to both parties, especially with water.
Yeah.
Water
damage.
Water damage, you know, is something that insurance is kind of nitpicky with, and they want to work. We'll work with your insurance company on it.
Oh, that's good to know.
And so it depends on, you know, just the severity of the problem, but it's always good to have both parties trying to communicate.
That makes sense.
Yeah, so that would be the quick recommendation of just, if you have any questions, call one or the other, but then probably get them both involved.
Well, and something to at least think about is in a situation like that, if we're talking homeowner's insurance versus a home warranty, your homeowner's insurance deductible will probably be a lot higher than the $75 we were talking about for the home warranty deductible.
Definitely.
So you might, I mean, that's something to be considering when you have issues.
It is, and a lot of times if you do call your insurance company because of a leaky faucet,
They're not
going to fix it. They're not going to do anything.
They'll say call a plumber.
Yeah, exactly.
But you, with the home warranty,
Yeah, we cover that.
we cover that.
Yeah.
So perfect. Josh, thanks for all your answers. Is there anything else that you want to add to this video for our viewers?
Yeah, you know, Ben, the only other thing I would recommend is for your clients to contact you if they have any questions or if they have any problems, because you're going to contact me and we'll get our teams involved and we'll be able to come to a resolution.
Thank you for adding that. We can work together as a team to find a solution to our clients' problems.
Yeah.
That's great. Thank you. So in summary, Josh, a home warranty is different than home insurance. And if you're buying real estate, you get a discount on the home warranty and it covers you for 12 months. And it's really a small price to pay to have that peace of mind about those big systems in your house that could fail the day after you buy it, right?
Definitely.
So, some very important information today about home warranties. And like I said before, I'm going to put some links in the sections below for the PDF document about home warranties and also a link to their website so you can learn more about American Home Shield and the great company that they are. Remember, if you're buying or selling a home in Utah, make sure to contact American Home Shield so that you can get a great deal on a home warranty.